So everyone, what's up guys? Sebastian doing this week's concept video on the Eduminions YouTube channel. So anyways, today we're going to be finding out percentages. So today we're finding out what 40% of 70 is. So today, first we have to turn this into a fraction. So it's 40 and 100 every time. And that would be 0.4. And so then 0.4 times 70. So now you got to find what this is. I'll give you some time to figure it out. So now, you figured out it's 0.4 times 70 or 0.40. So if you did it right, you would get 28.
Wait, I think it's...
So were you following? I'll show you the steps one more time. Alright, so anyways, this is the review. Step 1, you find out the question, 40% of 70. Step 2, 40, like divided to 100, whatever. And now step 3, 0.4, this will be anything. So if you have like 3, if there's 30 up there, it'll be 0.3. If there's 70 up there, it'll be 0.7. So then you do it, so now we have 0.4. So 0.4 times 70. Number 4 answer, 28. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.